Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare these amazing jerk chicken wings. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken wings and they're already cleaned and washed. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in and start seasoning my wings. Now, I added some of my chicken seasoning and then I'm going to go in and add some of my all-purpose seasoning. I will also go in and add a small amount of my garlic salt, and remember not to add too much of that garlic salt because it's very salty. I will also go in and add some paprika, and of course I have my black pepper. Once I add all of that seasoning, I will go in, of course, and add my jerk seasoning and just combine everything together nicely because you want to ensure that your wings are nicely seasoned. And then I'm going to cover it and put it to the side for roughly about 40 minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you will get chicken wings there as well. And you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. You can always go ahead and pair these amazing jerk chicken wings with some of my butter dumpling. You can always have it with sweet potato, Irish potato, whatever you have at home. Just be creative, guys. All right. So after 40 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start preparing these amazing wings. Of course, I went ahead and lined my baking tray with the foil paper. And then I'm going to go in and add my wings, and you don't want to put them too close. And of course, I also preheat my oven at 250 degrees, and this is going to take me roughly about 40 minutes. So once I'm finished, I will go ahead and pop these in the oven, and then after 20 minutes I will show you guys what it looks like, and we're also going to flip them over on the other side. All right, so after 20 minutes, this is what my wings looks like. So of course, we're going to flip them over on the other side because we want the other side to cook nicely as well, and we want it to get that nice color. And then I'm going to pop it back in the oven. I also went ahead and make up a nice sauce for my wings, and basically the sauce is the same seasoning that I use on the chicken wings. And I also added some barbecue sauce. I also added some of my ketchup and a small amount of brown sugar and boiled that for roughly 10 minutes. All right, so this is it. My wings all finished. So I'm going to go ahead and just plate this up nicely. And of course, we're going to add some of that nice sauce. If you guys want to see how I prepare this sauce, you can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. And of course, I will give that recipe to you guys. All right. So, of course, you have to take your time. You don't want that baking tray to burn you. So, you just want to ensure that you're very careful when you're taking up your wings. All right. And of course, as you can see, I went ahead and paired my chicken wings with some of my butter dumpling. And basically, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Guys, we're on our way to 9K subscribers, then 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.